Learn to read small and simple sentences. You are so big. You are so big. Now it's your turn to say. You are so small. You are so small. Now you repeat. You are so tall. You are so tall. Now your turn. You are so short. You are so short. Now you repeat. You are so happy. You are so happy. Now your turn. You are so sad. You are so sad. Now you repeat. You are so fat. You are so fat. Now your turn. You are so thin. You are so thin. Now you repeat. You are so heavy. You are so heavy. Now you repeat. You are so light. You are so light. Now your turn. You are so fast. You are so fast. Now your turn. You are so slow. You are so slow. Now you repeat.